So the first thing that we have to do for our interactive drawing would be to gather all of our objects. So I've gotten a whole bunch of different things, from erasers to tape dispensers, clips, drawing materials, seashells, and different electronics. And then you want to get a piece of paper or a material that you can draw on, and then something to draw with, whether that's pencils, pens, Sharpies, or any other thing that you might want to experiment with. And then what you want to do is you want to start looking at your objects that you have. You want to look at the different angles that your objects have, and you want to see what could it be made into other than just a tape measure. Could it be something with a slide? Could it be something that has a circle in it? Look and see and examine different parts of your objects and see if they could be turned into something that is a new type of drawing. So I've decided to use my Scotch tape as my interactive drawing, and so I'm going to use this as an eyeball, and this is going to be the beak of a flamingo. So I'm going to put that at the top, and then when you're ready, when you've picked the object that you want to use, you place your object down on your paper, and then you start drawing the rest of the image around it. You don't have to pick just one, you can pick multiple objects. But when you're ready, place that down and then draw the rest of the picture. So this is my finished interactive drawing. Now, if you wanted to, you could add color to this, you could paint this in, but the last thing that you need to do is you need to snap a picture of it so that I can see all the cool interactive drawings that you get to do. Now, don't feel like you only have to do one. If you found some really interesting objects that you want to work with, go ahead and try them out. See what kind of interesting drawings you can create. I hope you have fun with this project. I know that I did. See you guys.